So now, size and shape are obviously fundamental problems that affect just about all aspects of biology, be it cell and developmental biology, be it evolutionary biology, but also be it biophysics or dynamical systems biology. And what we try to do with this meeting is to basically bring all of these different fields together. And so in a way, we could be criticized for sacrificing depth versus breadth, but in another way, this is exactly the idea of this meeting, because for many of these questions pertaining to shape and size, we simply don't have any answers, and we have no idea how the answers might look like. And it is our hope as organizers that by bringing together this interdisciplinary crowd from very many different fields, maybe these new ideas that we need will actually arise during the meeting.
The whole idea of so one of the key aspects of developmental biology is how an organism develops its size and shape, right? How organs shape their the way they are, right? And there are multiple aspects people are working on in understanding how organ size and shapes are maintained during the course of development and regeneration. And this meeting is going to address that fundamental question of how size and shape are maintained, both in the context of animal development and also in the context of plant development. So this meeting focuses both on in both the fields of biology, which is both plant biology as well as animal biology, right? In the context of both regeneration as well as in development. So that's what this meeting is about. And this is a very unique conference that is being held so far.
The theme of the current EMBO workshop is on the control and maintenance of shape and size across scales, going from the cellular scale to the tissue scale to the organ scale to scale of organisms. And so there's going to be a discussion on the molecular processes and signaling processes involved, the physical principles underlying this control and maintenance of shape and size changes, and the evolution of how this control is possible. And so today's set of lectures, you'll hear these three aspects discussed as a way to set the stage for discussions that are going to happen in the next 3 days. So Simon Center, as you know, is very keenly interested in the underlying physical principles that govern organization and control. And this is the reason why we in the Simon Centers are particularly excited about this. The control, as we had talked earlier, has to do with the interplay between dynamical changes of patterning molecules and this eventual size of the tissue, the growing tissue. And so this is feedback that ensures the formation or the specification of organ size with respect to the size of the organism. Okay. So these are aspects that will be discussed in the next few days.
Yes. Okay, so it's great to be here in one of the best venues for EMBO